message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. NASA has discovered that the moon heading on a collision course with the Earth is expected that the moon will collide with the Earth within the next hour due to a large planet. There is nothing we can do to stop this. Once the moon impacts, giant mega tsunami as well the earthquakes will form, and the sun will be totally blocked for 50 years. Go into panic mode, gather your members, family, friends, pets, kid, and children and prepare for the end. The national anthem will play for the final time. May God bless America.